Have a pleasant day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Joanne T. Cervantes, 27 years old. I am married with 3 children. I live in Andagaw, Calibo, Aklan. I am college graduate, took up Bachelor of Science in Hotel, Restaurant Management and Technology. I am the middle child and only girl among the 5 siblings. I have work experience for 2 years as service crew in a Korean restaurant, and also I have work experience for 2 years as sales associate in a footwear shop. And also I have work experience for 1 year as assistant cook in a Filipino restaurant. And my last job experience was domestic helper here in the Philippines for about 4 years. And my duties and responsibilities as domestic helper here in the Philippines are laundry, ironing, cooking, dishwashing, gardening, car washing, and cleaning the house. And most importantly is taking care of 2 toddlers, ages 3 and 5 years old. Taking care of 2 toddlers, 3 and 5 years old was my main responsibilities. And talking about taking care of children, I can say I am skilled or capable enough because, as I mentioned earlier, me myself is a mother with 3 children. I take care of them since my pregnancy up until now. Taking care of my children is part of my daily routine as a mother. And I love doing that, taking care of children. I am responsible and reliable kind of a person. I am open and willing to learn in new things. I am honest, kind, hardworking, patient, and God-fearer. I don't say or make promises, but I do my very best to do my duties and responsibilities. So that, Ma'am and Sir, I hope you choose me as your new, reliable, and responsible employee. Thank you and God bless.